Office Jang Mission Director National Health Mission Government of Meghalaya haka arpu pratarik uluber kala Rakhe ka World Tuberculosis Day 2000 kabala long ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong. Hakani ka singil ay ka jingkran padiang sngob haro Dr. SS Nongbri Joint Mission Director NHM Meghalaya. La yo ka jingrwai padiang sngob ha na ki staff nurse ka RP Chest Hospital ka jingkran lampang da US Ram Kumar IS Mission Director NHM ka jingkran lengkot na ka kongsan hakani ka singi ka kong amprin lengdo menteri ka Tnat ka kwat ka khia.
Find a few factors to that huge elimination of one family is very close to me. To tuberculosis. The first thing, the denial. Amazingly, tuberculosis, sir, is not a disease of the poor. Those sisters from Rapsbun have correctly identified tuberculosis spares no one. It's just that the rich have the wherewithal to deal with the disease and can afford to keep the disclosure to themselves because they have the wherewithal. Now, what do we do? What about people who do not have and have no choice and are declared as an area where tuberculosis is prevalent? I have seen some of these families suffer. And yes, tuberculosis has been not such a big killer in my observation as an MLA. So it is correct.
Hakane ka singi la samru iki khusnam shiki district ki batrai shitom manrat ding khong ka jingpang TB la samru iki khusnam shiki ba job hakajing kop drodor bat ki khusnam shiki ba kot na ka jingpang TB la ai khusnam ru ya ka DIPR bat Shillong Press Club ki balapan priang ya ki khubor shiki padba ban ya le persha ya ka jingpang TB Shu lapan pu pen pieng hakani ka singi da ka skit na ka Rapsbun College of Nursing ka ba ai Jingkhiah kumnu ban sumar habaya day bat ka jingpang TB